Welcome back to my channel. I build Sprite Sheet generator from ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cloud.ai, a program using HTML and JavaScript. This program will be used to create sprite sheets and JSON files from MP4 video files. The program's features are as follows. Selectable video frame ranges. Extract selected video frames into images. Select the images that provide the smoothest animation. A preview window will appear to test the animation using the selected images. Crop the selected images and remove the green screen. Create sprite sheets and JSON files from the cropped images. After I added prompts to all three AIs, I could see their different ways of working. ChatGPT has a grand plan, creating a separate module from the HTML, explaining what's needed in the program. Personally, I like working with ChatGPT, even though it can be a bit complicated at times. Gemini won't discuss any structure or plans. They'll just send the code section by section and explain it. Right now, I want a ready-to-use program, but Gemini keeps asking for more information. Claude.ai, however, didn't ask a single question and immediately started building the program as instructed. ChatGPT said the project was too big to complete in one reply, and his typical response was, if you work with ChatGPT, you're going to have a tough time. Building code takes a long time, and he complains a lot. Even Gemini kept asking questions. While negotiating with ChatGPT about reducing program specs and answering Gemini's questions about the code that kept leaking out, Claude.ai finished his work. We'll put that aside for now and go back to discussing with ChatGPT and Gemini. Finally, Gemini created the program, but it didn't work. It opened the MP4 file, but didn't display the video preview window. The second attempt resulted in a video preview window, but I couldn't select a frame. The third attempt still didn't work, so I decided to pause ChatGPT and Gemini for now. The program's requirements are probably too high. Let's look at the code created with Claude.ai instead. The user interface is very well designed, much better than the version I used with ChatGPT and Gemini. Let's see if all the functions we designed are included. Load the MP4 file and select the desired frames. Choose the start and end frames, select the best segment, and then extract the frames into images. Extract the selected video frames into images. The next step is to carefully select the images again for smooth animation. Once you have the images, preview the animation to see if it's satisfactory. If it's still choppy, go back and select the images again. The next step is to crop the selected image and set its background to transparent. Claude.ai's design exceeded expectations. They added features like the ability to select the color to remove. In the requirements, we only specified remove green background, but Claude.ai added the option to choose the color to remove. Truly excellent. The final step is to crop the images to fit our game. Since using AI, I no longer draw images for sprite sheets. I use AI to create the desired animation video and then use it to create the sprite sheet. Previously, it required many programs to create a sprite sheet for each action. I've already successfully created one using ChatGPT and Gemini, and it works well. This video is to show everyone how each AI works. For me, AI is a tool. If we know how to use the right tool for the job, it can help us a lot. If you like this type of video, please subscribe so I can be motivated to make more videos like this. And for those interested in the app code, I'll put the link below. Or you can try letting the AI create it directly.